Another little detail for Goodiegood is her magical recipe book, which will go on her hat. For a good baker never travels anywhere without a recipe book. But a book is not a book unless it has some words in it. So even though I've glued these pages in like the old style books, I'm going to go ahead and add a written page to go inside of it. I do like adding these kind of little hidden messages within my dolls. So I'm going to go ahead now and glue this in, and then I'll be ready to start working on her hat. Let's make a simple little forget-me-not flower. I take these pre-cut shaped flowers that came from Michael's. They're paper. I'm going to use some seed beads. I have a darker yellow here as well as a lighter yellow. And then a really fine wire that's going to allow the seed beads to go over it. After I've got my 3 on my wire, and then just give it a little twist. Feed it through the hole that is going to be in the middle of the flower.